This app's appears show you
How to turn off flash on iPhone notifications. Follow this easy and step-by-step method to turn off flash while notifications. To turn off flash on iPhone notifications, go to your iPhone settings app. Here scroll down and tap on accessibility. Once you are in accessibility settings page, here scroll down and search for audio and visual. So you have to tap on this audio and visual settings. And once you are in this page, scroll down. Under visual section, you will get LED flash for alerts option. So all you have to do is just tap on that. And now to turn off flash on iPhone notification, just disable LED flash for alerts option from here. Also, make sure to disable these two options. And now on, your flash won't be turned on notifications. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.